Hey guys, I'm Kirk, and I know you want to crop a video in Premiere Pro. I'm going to show you how to do it, and if you know what you're doing, you can do it in less than 15 seconds. So this is something we do on our channel, Tech It Before You Wreck It, all the time when we're editing video. Subscribe to our channel if you like cool tech videos, demos like this, product reviews. We'd really appreciate that. So there are actually two things I'm going to show you, because I think when most people say, I want to crop a video, what they usually mean is they want to zoom in on a video, scale a video. That's not actually cropping, but I'm going to show you that first, and then we'll show you how to properly crop a video in Premiere if that's what you're looking for as well. So first and foremost, here we are in Premiere. I'm going to create a new project. We'll just give this a title. We'll call this YouTube Demo Test. And here we go. First thing I do, if you're not doing this already, go to Window, go to Workspaces, and click on Editing. That gives us this basic layout to start from. That way we're all working on the same page. So again, I'm going to show you how to scale a video, because I think this is what most people want to do when they say they want to crop a video. And this means you've got a piece of video. So I just dragged a piece of video into my project. I'm going to put this on the timeline. And let's just say I want this to be a little bit tighter. Right? I want it to be a little bit closer to my face. I still want to fill the whole frame with video. I still want to see me. I don't want to see anything else on the screen. I just want it to be cropped and a little bit closer on my face. That's not cropping. That's actually, in Premiere at least, called scaling, and it's very easy to do. So follow along with me here. We're going to click on the piece of video that we just set into our timeline, and it'll bring up our effect controls. If you double click it, it'll show you the source video. No problem. Just click the next tab over that says effect controls. And you're going to look in the motion section. And what you have are two very important things here. One is called scale. One is called position. And scale being the most important right now, because what we want to do is change that scale. It's currently at 100%. If we click it and drag it to the right, look at that. It zooms in on the video. It scales the video. That's not actually cropping. That's zooming on the video. But a lot of people think that's what cropping is. So you might want to do that. And it changes it for the whole clip here. But let's say I want my face to be more centered. I can go over to my program video. You can change the numbers here in the effect position option. But it's easier if you go to your program window, double click on the video, and then just drag it where you want it to be. And there you go. Now the position is changed and the scale is changed for the entire video clip on the timeline. If I want to use my razor tool and slice this clip up and then move these clips around, not a problem, because all of the clips from the original one on the timeline have been scaled and repositioned. So that's easy enough. Again, I think that's what most people want to do when they say, I want to crop a video. They actually want to scale it and maybe reposition it. Now, if you actually want to crop the video, I'll show you what that looks like. Cleared out my timeline. I'm going to bring that same piece of video back into my timeline. And now let's say I want to crop this around my face, effectively cutting out the video around my face. So what I need to do is grab an effect for that. So I'll click into my effects option, my effects tab down in my project window here, and then I'll just search. And guess what we're searching for? We're searching for crop. And there is the crop effect. It's under Video Effects Transform. I'll drag that onto my video file on my timeline. And now you'll notice in the effect controls area, I now have a new option called crop. I've got left, top, right, bottom. You can crop all of those sections. And it's another slider, but you're dealing with percentages now. So if I want to crop the left by 20%, take a look at that. It just drags it. I did 25%. So I'll do the right 25% as well. I'll do the top 25% and the bottom 25%. And there you go. You can see most of the rest of the video is cropped out, and you see black where that video was, and then all you see is what's cropped into the middle here. Now, what's happening here? Why is it black? Well, what's happening here is it's seeing through to whatever's underneath it. And in this case, there's nothing underneath it. So if I come back to my project and I create a color matte, and I'm going to create a green color matte so you guys can see what I'm talking about here. And this can be a piece of video. This doesn't have to be a color matte. This can be an image, whatever you want. And you put it underneath this video on your timeline. Well, there you go. Now you're seeing through to whatever is underneath it. You're seeing through to the green color matte in this case. But again, you could put video back there. You could put whatever you like back there. Now that is what is actually cropping in Adobe Premiere Pro. But if you think scaling and repositioning is actually what you want to do, maybe you should jump back to the beginning of the video, watch that demo again. I hope this helped you out. I hope this was what you were looking for. And we appreciate you guys watching this video. Subscribe to our channel. It helps us grow so we can make more cool tech tutorials like this. Tech it before you wreck it.